Welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting your post page in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure your WordPress website to display your blog posts on a dedicated page. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, you should see the familiar WordPress interface. After arriving on WordPress, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the login option, which you need to click on. This action will bring you to the login section, allowing you to sign in to your account. WordPress is designed to make authentication as straightforward as possible, and the login button is clearly visible. The next step is to select the option to continue with Google. By clicking on this option, you will use your existing Google account credentials to sign in quickly, eliminating the need to remember another password. This integration streamlines the process and provides a secure way to log into your WordPress account. The system will then prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use if you are already signed in to multiple accounts. Simply select the appropriate account from the available options, and the sign-in process will continue automatically. Now that you have successfully logged in, it is time to focus on managing the content of your website. Once logged in, navigate to the section where pages are managed. This area can be accessed by looking for the appropriate area on the WordPress dashboard. Remember that once in this section, you are in an environment specifically designed for managing website content, including both static pages and blog posts. This step is critical as it provides the interface through which you will designate one of your pages to display your blog posts. Within the Pages section, find the page you wish to use for your blog posts. For ease of navigation, look for labels and titles that indicate the page's purpose. Once you have identified this page, click on it to open the page options. In the page settings, there will be an option labeled as the Posts page. By selecting this option, you are telling WordPress that this particular page should now serve as the area where all your blog posts will be displayed. This setting is crucial because it allows your website visitors to easily access your latest posts from a single organized location. After you have configured the Posts page, take a moment to review your website from a visitor's perspective. Verify that the page now appears as intended, with all your blog posts neatly organized. This setup not only makes your website more accessible, but it also helps you maintain clarity and efficiency as you update content over time. This guide is based on instructions originally published on a well-known tutorial platform. The detailed process outlined here ensures that you have a fully functioning blog page on your WordPress site by following a few straightforward steps. Enjoy the simplicity of WordPress and use your new post page to share your updates and insights effortlessly.